So here is the select that all apply, which is the following commands are extract with the fifth column of the 40 by 5 matrices in M. So which one is the answer, your answer? Anybody having that answer? I think this is maybe this is already been done. This is a chapter. Whereas quickly we can jump into some other create of the custom matrices. So like maybe how to create the custom matrix. For example, how the some data is there, how the data is a price and usage of the data is there. So here I'm the two variables, one is the price, one is the usage of the data is there. So this is the data, prices, this is a list, and usage, this is a list. So here they have to create the two matrices every 5 usage and every 5 prices in the content of the fifth year and column, and data streaming in the first column, the matrices, usage and prices. So this is all the data. Then how to define that different how the two matrices. So here I'm using to create the matrices every 5 usage. So first I'm creating that matrices every 5 usages equivalent comma 1:5 is in the end. So here I don't want to stop again. So they're asking that every 5 prices also. So second second thing is every 5 prices. EVE or every 5 5 prices is equal to, again here I'm using the price command by because I'm data calling from the price. So small bracket I'm using the semicolon comma 1. And anyway I'm calling from here is the 5 till I'm calling the end. Sure, wonderful. So sorry. Sorry, here I'm typing some typo mistake. So here they're asking to create a matrix in the name of every 5 and with every 5 usage on the top of every 5 prices. So same thing if you want to, like they're asking to create the name of every 5. Yeah. Every 5 is equal to, I'm using the square bracket, every 5 usage every 5 prices. So this is like you have to create your custom matrices from this is a command system. So this is like rows and columns, how we are defined that column system. This is some theory. So once you have the freedom,